In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart for beginners. If you've never built a flowchart or diagram before, don't worry. Lucidchart is a visual workspace that makes it fast to map processes, brainstorm ideas, and explain how things work. We'll go from opening the site to finding the right template to customizing it so it fits your needs, all in a few simple moves. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. If you're new, you may be asked to sign in or create a free account. Follow the prompts so you land on the home screen or template gallery. This is the hub where you'll see featured options and quick starts. Keep your goal in mind, maybe a flowchart, an org chart, or a mind map, because that will guide what you choose next. On the right side of the screen, look for the option to explore more templates and click it. This expands the full library, which is helpful when you're not exactly sure what layout you need. You'll see categories that group templates by purpose, like process, brainstorming, software, and more. Browsing a few examples can spark ideas and save you time because the structure is ready-made. If you already know what you want, use the search bar to look up a diagram type. Try terms like flowchart, swim lane, org chart, or network. Search results will display professionally designed templates that you can adapt in minutes. Hover over any option to preview it. You're looking for something that's close to your goal, even if it's not perfect. You can tweak anything later. Once you've found a good match, select it and click Use to open the editor. Your template loads as a canvas with shapes and connectors ready to go. Start customizing by double-clicking any text to rename steps or labels. Add shapes from the left panel and connect them by dragging from the small arrows on each shape. If lines cross, add elbow connectors or adjust waypoints to keep the flow clean. Use the Properties panel to change colors, line styles, and fonts, or apply a theme for consistency. Alignment and distribution tools help space items evenly, and snapping keeps rows and columns tidy. Rename the title so it matches your project, and keep labels short. Use color to signal categories, not just decoration. When the layout reflects your process, you're done. You've built a clear, professional diagram with Lucidchart's templates and tools.